Okay, we're going to have a quick look at our circle theorem number 7, which we're saying prove that the angle between the tangent and this line here, which we might just call alpha, this angle in here is equivalent to this angle up in here. That's what we're trying to prove. Okay, so I'll state that at the top. Proof: angle QTS is equal to angle TXS. Okay, and let's just start off by saying angle QTS is equal to alpha. Now, to help me with this proof, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line through T, through the center, up to the top, and then back up to S, or down to S. And I'll label this point here R. Okay? Now, let's talk about the things that we do know. We know that the angle from the center of the circle to a tangent point is going to be 90 degrees. We know that's 90 degrees. We also know that the angle created in a semicircle, this is my semicircle here that I'm interested in, okay, the angle created in that semicircle is going to be 90 degrees. Okay, that was circle theorem 3. Okay, so I'm using those other circle theorems, circle theorem 5 to prove that this is 90 degrees. I'm using circle theorem number 3 to prove that that's 90 degrees as well. Now from here, I'm going to work out what this angle is in here. Okay, so I could say angle STR is equal to, well, that's 90 degrees, and I'm going to take away the alpha. All right. So this is 90 degrees, take away alpha in here. I know this is 90 degrees. I need to sort out what this angle here is. All right, so let's just call that one beta for the time being. Okay? And so I can say that 90 take away alpha, this angle here, plus 90 degrees, this one here, plus beta is equal to 180 degrees. Now why is that? That's because the angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. That's my reasoning there. I should add in the other reasoning for everything I've done here. Well, I've used circle theorem number 5 here. So I should say, okay, the tangent line radius gives us 90 degrees. And I've also used this semicircle theorem to say that that is 90 degrees. So there's my semicircle saying that's 90 degrees there. Okay, let's solve this now. So I've got 90 degrees plus another 90 degrees. That's 180 degrees. Take away alpha plus beta is equal to 180 degrees. Now I'm going to subtract from both sides of the equation 180 degrees, so I end up with negative alpha plus beta is equal to 0. And then if I add negative theta to both sides, if I add theta, to both sides, I'll end up with beta is equal to alpha. So basically I've just shown that this angle here, alpha, is equal to that one there. Now from here, I can use circle theorem number 2. Okay, so I've got this idea here, circle theorem number 2, happening where these two angles are equivalent to each other. Okay, so I can then say also angle TXS is equal to alpha, okay, because it's equal to beta, which is equal to alpha, all right, and that is because of our circle theorem number 2. Okay, and my final statement, therefore, angle QTS is equivalent to angle TXS. QED. Again, I hope that helps. Thanks, guys.